Kamusta kayo na Maricar?
Well, we're flying, we're happy. Actually, we're still planning kung saan kami mag-honeymoon.
Wow! So, for those who doesn't understand Tagalog, Mr. Richard Poole, if you see it, they're just married with another artist named Maricar.
Artemis. Tama ba?
Reyes!
Maricar Reyes pala. Okay. So, is it okay if I ask how much did you spend to your dream wedding?
Actually, not that expensive.
Not that expensive. Mga millions na.
It was simple.
Napag-ipunin naman yun. So, pag gano'n naman usapan, walang mahal, walang mura. So,
Nothing's expensive, nothing expensive for it.
Yeah. When it comes to
marriage.
Okay.
Alright, so they're having a photo op. Okay, so the moment we've been waiting.
by the way, I'd like to promote my latest album.
I'm sorry.
It's not yet out in the market. Here I have the album The Crooner. So it has 8 tracks in it, and then all our OPM classic hits na sure naman talagang magugustuhan ninyong lahat. This is a perfect gift for your loved ones, for anyone na talagang mahal nyo, no? And I'll be giving this 3 albums sa mapipili kong audience right now. Okay, sino gusto? Bumili ako! Okay, this area! Dito! Wait, may nakita na po ako tatlo. Here! I'm ready, thank you so much.
Okay. Let's now see Richard Poole with his talent.
If you know the song, please sing with me.
Someday, the world is gold. I will feel and know just like we tearing my fear apart. And that laugh, that wrinkles your nose, touches my foolish heart. Lonely, don't you ever change. Keep that breathless heart. Please arrange it, 'cause I love you. And the way you look tonight. And the light Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you. And arrange it
So, Richard, totoo ba na na-kiss mo lang si Maricar nung wedding nyo?
Yes, that's true.
So, since tapos na yung inyong wedding, is it okay if we ask for a kiss?
Ano to kayo ni Maricar? Gusto niya.
Oo, mukhang nag-walk out na. Mukhang hiwalay na kayo. Okay, guys! It's now time for you to decide if this is Kaloka or Kaloka! Ano pa?
Sige, akong tatanong.
Kaloka!
Ako si Bias. Hindi naman tayo sa engineering team. Ano masasabi mo? Kalokalike. Bakit kalokalike? Why kalokalike? They look the same.
Very talented.
Alright.
So, tanungin natin naman yung ating judges.
Yes. So what we've seen from the crowd is that all of them have raised Kaloka like.
Correct.
So may we ask Miss Jane what she can say about our talent?
Rob, sobra mo akong pinabili. Parang ang younger brother ni Richard. And yung kasama mo, kamukha ni Maricar.
Oo nga, parang yun naman nanalo mo si Jane.
Tsaka very talented, tsaka ang confidence level, no? In a scale of 1 to 10, 9.5. Parang nasa boxer. Nag-breakfast pa.
Paano na pag-dinner?
Diba? Very talented. So, alam ko na na pwede ka naming hiramin pagka nag-sales gigs kami.
Showcase of talent talaga to. So, thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you.
Let's now move on to our contestant
Contestant number 3. Let's call